That was
Oh my God,
rude.
Sophia. Stop yawning. You're
That
not
was
lying.
fucking rude.
I just need you to look in the mirror.
Ew.
What? Don't worry about the colors, okay?
No.
These are just special colors that show your tone, okay? Versus dark colors.
Yippee. It's like half my wardrobe.
You just-
Ew.
Uh-oh. Don't yawn.
I'm sorry.
Pay close attention to your lips. Okay?
I can't even see fully.
You want to pay close now?
Yeah, I don't even know either.
You look okay. A little yellow. And this one just overpowers.
Jeez.
Your favorite.
This one is sorry. I got a hot potato and I got two hot potatoes.
Let's see what the summer does.
Dark blue.
Navy. This could be your black. So on the clear side. Look straight, Sophie. This is not bad.
Shut your bitch ass. Someone coming at you.
Why y'all put cheese on my cheeseburger?
Cheese on my cheeseburger. Shut your bitch ass. Someone coming at shoot your.
I feel like I knock you out.
I got a hot potato and I got
Alright, you're done. Now look
hot
through the video and see what
tomatoes.
happens.
Let me out! Let me out!
Does this make you yawn too?
Yes, the motor is fine, but what happened is, y'all, when we started renovations in the pool room, our pool is heated and it has to be filled up at all times. And